I am the Vice President of Marketing at MyOperator. MyOperator is one of India's foremost cloud communication leader. We make communication happen for some of the largest brands across India. So from the Amazon, Myntra, Lenskart and the physics wallers of the world to very traditional companies like even a Muthoot and Apollo, they all they enable their communication on MyOperator. This is a very interesting piece. The integration that MyOperator and Zoho brings together to the table. At MyOperator, we keep talking about conversational commerce. We talk about conversation as a business enabler. So while MyOperator brings the call management part of it, Zoho obviously gives us the CRM. What does the integration do? So in a traditional CRM system, if you have a sales team or a customer success team or a business team working off the CRM, they look at the customer records on the CRM, copy that number into their mobile phone or on the landline that they're doing, have the call, probably take notes offline on a piece of paper, then copy that back into the CRM. With a MyOperator integration, that part of the hassle goes. So you can directly click from a CRM to make that call happen. The call syncs on the CRM, so all the records are maintained right there. Even if you're on a mobile phone, with our mobility first integration with Zoho, even if a call is coming on a mobile phone, that call also gets synced with your CRM. So your sales teams is automatically synced with the CRM. No manual note taking, no manual copying of phone numbers. Because MyOperator works a lot on an interoperable API framework, and Zoho with PhoneBridge makes telephony integrations really seamless. I think the integration has been really hassle-free. It's been hassle-free for the product team to build and also hassle-free for our customers to integrate in. So I think it's been a great experience all around. The kind of trust and the kind of bonhomie that the partner teams, that kind of energy level that the partnership brings to the table, even considering the behemoth that Zoho is, they all have been there for the last 25, 30 odd years, that I think has been incredible. Which has made this partnership worth it. So when we talked about how we enable it for customers, how we enable it for a joint target addressable market to speak about, there's been a lot of support from your partnership team. Of course, it has been matched by us, but we have always walked the path together. So which has made with listing easy, which has made integrations easy. There are about 100 plus users who use the MyOperator Zoho integration. And this list is ever growing because with both Zoho and MyOperator going out in the market and talking about it. In terms of the end customers, as I explained in the beginning, I think what it does, it takes the hassle out of it. So obviously, you can work without this integration. You can look at the CRM system, copy the number manually, take manual notes and copy it back. The integration makes it 5 times faster. With the Zoho CRM and a MyOperator working together, we see our sales cycle actually being shortened. And that for us, I think at the end of the day is a win for both of us. So in a post-COVID world that we are living in, the world is becoming increasingly mobile. Your sales force is out there in the market, they're out there in the market, they're out there in the field making calls. If your call system and your CRM system are not synced together, you're probably making calls all through the day. At the end of the day, you've come back and you're then manually entering the call details in the system, in your CRM system. This entire hassle of managing a remote sales force that goes away with our integration and actually makes the sales process at least 5 times more efficient. Even if you have a mobile phone, you don't even need to have the CRM on your system. Even if you have a mobile phone, that call can automatically sync with your CRM. So you are out there in the field making calls, your CRM system is there with the manager. That call will get recorded, the manager can see it and can probably take any corrective action on it. So that's how seamless it goes. All these mobile applications work without a SIM. Just on the dint of an enterprise mobility app, we call it the MyOperator Dialer app that we have, which auto syncs with the Zoho CRM, making sure whatever conversation the sales agent has throughout the day, wherever he is out there in the market, that data is automatically gets synced back into a central CRM system, which is the Zoho CRM. That's the magic of this. I think the next layer to build on top of what we've already built is making more and more of the commerce happen. So MyOperator and Zoho working together, maybe with banking partners, maybe with payment integration partners to make revenues happen, to accelerate revenue generation even for our end customers. That is where we want to take it out to. We want this to be not just transforming business for the largest enterprises. We want this to be a commerce enabler for the 60 million, 6.5 crore plus SMEs that are there in India. I guess that is where the integration with Begin and MyOperator really kind of sets the stage for the next billion kind of an expansion. That is where we want to get to, make commerce very easy and very simple for the next billion of the SMEs that we're talking about right now.